Hi guys, looking for insurance in the middle of a real estate transaction? This is Zanganeh bringing you tips and tricks on how to win in the San Diego real estate market. And today we have special guest Seth Arruda from Alta Vista Insurance. Seth, thanks so much for being here.
Sean, always a pleasure.
Well, let's get right into it. So we need insurance. We're in the middle of a real estate transaction, or not, you're just shopping around. And what are the 5 things that a consumer needs to know today to help them win and feel educated when they make a decision in choosing insurance?
So the top 5 things that everybody needs to know about their insurance when purchasing a new home in California or owning a home are what's covered, and also how much coverage do I need, and then how do I insure my personal property and belongings, and then also what about the items that mean the most to me, and then also what about liability.
Sure. Awesome. Well, let's get into it. What's covered? Tell me about it.
So here in California, your standard hazard, or your fire insurance that everybody likes to call it, insures you for sudden and accidental occurrences and catastrophic perils like fire, wind, hail, and lightning.
Okay. Now, how much coverage does a client need on a house?
That's really important. So that's where we get into talking about the replacement cost value of a home. So the insurance companies insure the properties or the structures based on their reconstruction cost. So again, the insurance companies are not concerned with the market value of the home.
Okay, now tell me about my stuff. Obviously, I got a house. How do I insure the stuff inside my house?
That's right. So your personal property is very important, and you want to make sure that you carry replacement cost value for all of your contents and belongings.
Okay. Now, would I just give you a receipt and show you, hey, I bought a couch for $2,000? How does that work?
So that's actually not the way it works. As long as you have replacement cost value and any of your personal items are destroyed due to a covered peril, you're going to get the full replacement for those items, like a furniture set or electronics or clothing, those type of things.
Okay, cool. Now, what about my fancy stuff? My jewelries, watches, diamonds, gold, whatever that is, antiques. How do I cover that stuff? What's the process of doing that?
Good question. So those type of items are what the insurance companies call scheduled personal property.
Okay.
And for those particular items that matter the most to you, you want to make sure that they are itemized on your insurance policy. So usually an appraisal or a receipt showing the value of those items, things like jewelry, watches, furs, antiques, collectibles, things like that.
Okay, awesome. Now, I guess the big topic ourselves, liability. How do we cover that? What's the process?
That's another really, really important coverage. So your liability is also attached to your home insurance, and that's going to give you liability protection for your residence premises and also personal injury matters. So you always want to make sure that you have the proper liability for your assets, and also making sure that you have personal injury coverage for things like libel or slander.
Awesome. So it sounds like there's a lot that goes into insurance. So making sure you have a really good insurance broker is huge. Obviously, you're a brokerage, so you can shop several different options when it comes to insurance, which is awesome. So we're going to leave Seth's information here so you guys can reach out, have a conversation, and whether it be looking for a new policy or modifying your existing, Seth's definitely the guy to help out. Seth, thank you so much for your time here today.
Sean, thanks a lot.
Again, Seth Arruda with Alta Vista Insurance, and I'm Zanganeh bringing you tips and tricks on how to win in the San Diego real estate market. Thanks so much. Have a great day.